So today we're just going to create a fun design. So I was searching in my Creative Fabrica and I was looking for Highland cows and I found these cute Highland cows. So I am going to download these. And while these are downloading, I have a Canva account. I have the Canva Pro. Some of this you can do with the free Canva account as well. And I am going to change my units to inches here. And I'm just going to make this simple and I'm going to do an 8 by 8 inch design. And so I am going to start here and our Highland cows, as soon as they're done downloading, we'll get this unzipped. Here we go. So I am going to extract all of these files and then we can look them over and start bringing some images into our Canva here. So I'm going to go to upload files and we will go to our downloads here. And here are those cute little Highland cows. So I'm just going to make these bigger pictures so that we can see. I might even make them a little bit bigger so that I can see them clearly because I'm going to bring them all in, but just a few of these here. I don't know why these cows have eggs, but they're kind of cute. So I like this one. And this one with a cup of coffee is pretty cute. This one with the book. That one's kind of got a cup of coffee there again. That one. This one's cute with the flowers there. Let's see. This one's cute with the heart. And we're gonna keep going down here. I'm just gonna find a few of these. I'm kind of in the summery mode here, getting off of Christmas and on to Valentine's Day. So we'll just start bringing a couple of these in. I like this one with the chicken too. That's pretty cute. So I'm going to get these uploading. And while they're uploading, I was searching for some words that we can use, and I found some phrases like deja vu, I'll love you till the cows come home, live like someone left the gate open. Don't be a heifer. Not today, heifer. Apparently, I have an attitude. Who knew? So these are some phrases that we might be using in our design. So now I can see that it's going to take a while for these all to upload, but we can get started. I like this one with the chicken. So that's what I'm going to pull in first. And then I'm going to go and see if there's anything that I don't like on it. Right now, I think that's pretty cute. So now let's see what we're going to use for words on this one. Um, I kind of like that live like someone left the gate open. So let's use that in our design. So now I'm going to go to text here. And actually, I will go to my Creative Fabrica account again, and I will look for fonts. I really like duos and trios for fonts. So I'm going to put font trio in my search bar here, and I'm going to see what comes up here. So that I don't have yet. And this is a font trio. This is cute. Handmade holidays. This one's really cute. Let's try this one. Handmade holidays trio. So now what I'm going to do when this comes up is I'm going to download it. So now it is downloading. So let's see if it is open here yet. Nope, not yet. Try it again here. There we go. Oh, did it twice. Oh, well. All right. So now I'm going to actually extract these. Now, if I was going to put them on my computer, I would just open the open type font here, and I would just hit install. And that would install it right on my computer. So now this font is on my computer and I can use it in anything that I want in Word, in Cricut Design Space and anything that I want because it would be saved in my fonts. So, but I want to install these into Canva. So I'm going to extract all of them. So I'm going to extract here. And now we will go back to Canva here in our design. And I'm just going to hit add a text box here. And now you can see here, it tells you what the font is, and it always comes in at Canva Sans. So if you click on that, you can change the font, and you can see my fonts that I have uploaded and the fonts that are in Creative Fabrica anyway. But I'm going to go to upload a font here, and then I'm going to go to my downloads, and here is that font trio. And I am going to put all three of these open type fonts in. Handmade Holidays Regular. I'm going to hit open, and yes, I can upload this because I have a Creative Fabrica account. And now I'm going to go to the next one, and I'm going to do that again here, upload a font. And I'm going to do Handmade Holiday Script, open type font, confirm, and it's uploading. And now I'm going to go and do the same thing for the third font, upload a font, and I'm going to bring in the Handmade Holidays Serif and open type font and confirm. And so now we'll go and find these. You will see that as soon as they're done here, I'm going to go to Handmade. CD E Handmade. Here you go. So we have Handmade Holidays Regular, Handmade Holidays Script, and Handmade Holidays Serif. So let's make the first one serif. So you can see that it changed that here in our text box. So I'm going to move my text box up here so that you can see it. And now I'm going to start changing my word here. Live like someone left the gate open. Okay. So I'm just going to put live like here. Live like, and then I'll add another text box, and I will change this one to Handmade Holiday Regular. Live like someone left the gate open. All right, I'm going to stretch this out so you can see it. And you can see how well these fonts go together. Live like someone left the gate open. So I'm going to make my cow smaller here, my Highland cow, and get it down towards the bottom, centered, and bring this in. And I might even go to effects here and go down here and curve it. And then you can go down here even further, and I can open up that curve a little bit. And now I'm going to move it over just a hair here. So I want to get it, oops, get a hold of it here. And I just want to get it right in the middle there. And now I'm going to do live like here, stretch it out. Maybe make this bigger too. Move that up. Get it off the horn. Right there. And live like someone left the gate open. And I don't think I'm going to curve this. I might make it back straight again, but you can see that you can change this any way that you want. You can go up, or I can just go to none, of course. And then bring this down a little bit and move this one in. And I want to do an effect on this one. So I'm going to do an outline, and I'm going to go in here. I'm going to change the color to white, that outline there. So I am going to now change the look of these letters. I'm going to go up here into color, and you can see that from the photo, it's giving us some color options that match our design here. So I'm going to make this brown. And this one, I will make a different color here. Go into our color palette again. And then for this one, I'm going to put an effect on it. I'm going to do an outline. And you can see that it did it in that dark color, but I'm going to change that to white and see what this looks like when I drop it down in there. You can see that white behind that. So this one I'm going to make thicker here so that you can see it a little bit better. And I'm going to pull this one in and position it forward. And I'm going to take the effect off of this one because I had that effect on there and drop the thickness down here. There we go. And bring this one forward. Bring it to the front. There. Now I'm starting to get the look that I'm going for. Not quite, but I just want to get this so it looks like it's behind it ever so slightly. There, live like someone left the gate open. I think that that's really a cute design. Very simple, quick and easy to make. Again, you can go to effects here and you can add, other colors too. I don't like that at all. So I'm going to back up here and get that red out of there. But you get the idea of how this works. Let's raise this up just a hair. I just want that white on top of it ever so slightly. So now I'm going to make it bigger so that you can see, excuse me, that effect going through with that outline on there. So I think that's a super cute idea. And so now I'm going to start a new page here, make this a little smaller again so that you can see it. And let's go to our uploads. We'll bring in another one of our Highland cows here. That is super cute. So let's go see what phrase would look cute with that. Um, Not today, heifer, maybe. So let's pull this down. I think I'm going to use that same font. I think that's really cute. So I'm going to bring that text box in and um, not today. I'll put that one here, make it bigger so that you can see it. And then I'll bring in another text box and we'll change it to Handmade Holidays, the third one, script regular. We'll try this one and we'll change this to heifer. Oops. Not today, heifer. All right, so now I'm going to make this bigger so that you can see. And here we go. And now we'll do some fun changes to the look of this as well. Move it over here. There, I kind of like them when they're just about touching like that. So move it over right in this area and then move this one over and pop it right down in here where it's going down inside there. I kind of like that look, but I really want it centered a little bit more. So I'm going to move heifer over here a little bit further. And then I'm going to move this one again and just get it right in there, right where they're fitting together nicely. So now I'm going to go to my colors again here. And it's going to give us the color palette from both of these cows. And I'm going to take this one here and I'm going to take this one here. And you can see how nice those fonts go together and how nice those colors go together. So from here, I would just download these and use them in anything that I want, in a card, or use it for sublimation or DTF printing. So I just go to share and I'm going to go to download here and you can raise your DPI up. I can do that because I have the Pro. You wouldn't have to if you don't have the Pro account, but I'm going to also raise up my DPI and I'm going to also change it to a transparent background. And then I'm going to download these. And then I will show you what they look like here as soon as they're done downloading. So now I will open these up after they're done downloading here. We got a few seconds left. And All right, so now here is our first design. And you can see that it's got the transparent background. It's got the white outline on both the live like and someone left the gate open. And then our second design here is not today heifer. So depending on what you put this on, it would not have the black background. That just shows that it is a transparent background. So I hope this helped. This was just a quick design and tutorial. I always like to design. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. And I'll have a link below for Creative Fabrica as well. Have a great day. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.